Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is your boy KR with more great content. I'd like to welcome you to Jetspeed Cycler 25. This is our $25 straight line cycler, and it's helping people to make some serious money, guys. You want to definitely get over here and check out this cycler, man. So let me take you in this, show you a little bit about how it works and how you get paid. So first of all, it's a $25 cycler, and you're able to turn that one $25 into multiple $25 donations over and over again. This is a private community that we have built to help everyone to succeed financially. As you begin to build your income by helping others, you will come to the realization that a community that is built on trust and dedication will always succeed. The objective here, guys, the overall objective is to receive unlimited $25 payments over and over and over again by being placed into the Jetspeed pilot seat. I'm going to show you that in a minute. This objective is reached when a member rises on the boards and is placed in the pilot's gifting seat. Every time a member is placed onto the board, a member is paid. That's what's super simple about this, and this is what makes it so good. Every time somebody comes in, the guy that's sitting in the pilot seat is paid. How does it work? Join the Jetspeed Cycler for $25. Jump on the board by sending $25 to that pilot that's sitting in that seat via Cash App, which is indicated. In the Cash App comments, leave the note, donation for business startup. So you're helping somebody to get some business going, helping them to, sustain. That's what we're doing. Check this out, step 2, on the $25 board, advance until you reach the pilot seat, which is, it has already waiting for you $25. It's $25 waiting for you in the seat, left for you when someone pays their re-entry in. So that's 25 sitting there. So once one more person comes in, you have a total of 50, and you will come out of the seat leaving that 25 there as your re-entry. Pretty cool, huh? So you don't have to pay your re-entry. Somebody is paying it for you. How about that? Right, ejection and re-entry. The ejection of a member from the jet pilot donation position occurs once they have reached their $50 donation level. That's super simple. Once you have the 50, remember it's 25 waiting for you already. So once you get in the seat and one person comes in, you're paid. You jump out with that 25, leave the other 25 there for the next person coming in, and you're out of there, right? A member can only buy multiple positions, 5 slots below where they currently are. So if you're on the board and you're in position number 5, you can buy another spot in position number 11, right? That's 5 spots below. It won't be 10 because 10 is exactly right. You want to take that 11th spot. Pretty cool. All right, contribution requirements. Everybody, guys, pays that $25. And to assure fairness to all, each member is required to bring in at least one person, guys. Come on. Share this great opportunity with one person. Put yourself in position to get paid over and over and over. So this is something everybody does, and this makes you eligible for contribution. Any member that is up for a contribution but has not helped one person, haven't brought in one person, you will not receive the contribution until you get that person in. So you'll be skipped. You won't lose your place in line. You just will be skipped over until you bring in one person. Once that happens, right, you will then get your money. You're going to get that $25. Once you bring in that one person, you move into the board, bam, you're paid, you back out, you're doing your thing. You only got to bring in one person ever, so come on, we can do this. If a member is skipped, the contribution will then go to the next qualified member on the board, so we know that's going to happen. Once a skipped member helps one new member to join, they will then become eligible to receive donations. We want to keep it fair over here, guys. Now let me show you how this works. It's super simple, nothing hard about it. Anybody can do it. So let's just say, for instance, John Doe is in the seat. Okay, now John is waiting on someone to come in because John already have the one $25 payment sitting there. What he's waiting on is the next $25 payment to sit there. I'm going to take you over right now and show you how that works. All right, let's get to John. Okay, so John is sitting in the seat, guys. He's waiting to be paid. So what's going to happen is this. We're doing this live time. That's why you see all this stuff lighting up back here. Okay, let's change this because John already have his first $25 because it was waiting on him when he came in. So there's John. He has his $25. He's had one entry in, which is where he's at right now, sitting on his first entry. All right, so now this is what's going to happen. This gentleman here, John Doe 2, is getting ready to come up in the seat. How does that happen? John Doe 3 comes in. Bam. When John Doe 3 comes in, John Doe 2 then comes out of the seat. Bam. And goes into the pot. Bam. When John Doe comes out of the pot, John Doe 1 goes down here, falls under the bottom, right, of John Doe 3. Let's move John Doe 3 up into position number 1 now. Because John Doe 2 just came out of that position. So now John Doe 1 is there. John Doe 2 is in the pot. He's waiting to be paid, right? So what's going to happen is somebody's going to refer somebody, right? Which is going to be super exciting. It's going to be John Doe 3 because it's time for them to bring in their person. Would they do that? Bam, that person will fall down here. Boom. John Doe number 2 will receive that $25 for a total of $50. Then he will come out. So you see, it's just a follow the leader type thing. Every time one comes out, right? Another one goes in. Every time one comes in, one comes out. Super simple, guys. Anybody can do it. So now John Doe 3 is guess what? Going into the pot. Bam. He's in that pilot seat. He's waiting on his payment. Now what's going to happen? John Doe 5 is going to come in. Bam. When John Doe 5 comes in, John Doe number 3 is coming out because he just received his see his one in, one out every time. Bam. John Doe number 1 goes back in. Bam. What's going to happen now? John Doe number 6 is coming in. Bam. When John Doe number 6 comes in, bam. John Doe number 1 comes out because he just got the 25. Guys, this is super simple. Every time one comes in, one comes out the pot. Bam. Then John Doe number 4 goes into the pot. Bam, in the seat waiting to get paid. And see, it's super simple, guys. Let me move all of these up because as we move, you move up into the slot. I just didn't do it because I was showing you how it happens when somebody move up. So everybody's in their position. Bada bing, bada boom, looking good, waiting on the payment. When somebody else comes in, right? Let me just make sure you guys got it because I mean, this is super simple, guys. So let's just say this is John Doe number 7. He falls down here. Right? What happens is when he comes in, he sends that 25 to John Doe number 1, and guess what? John Doe number 1 is out of there. Guess who goes up in there? Yeah, you got it. John Doe number 2. See, all that happens is when someone comes in, someone comes out. That's it. Rotating payments. And that's it, guys. Pretty much the whole thing. So you need 25 to get started. When you get started, you're going to get placed on the board. You want to get in your first person as soon as possible to keep the board moving. If everybody bring in one, every time somebody hit that board, if they bring in one person with them, the board will never stop. Because that means that every time somebody land, they're bringing somebody, which is causing the rotation to continue. So you guys get in here, 25 bucks. Let's get it going because we started making this money over and over. Right now, we're dealing with the top. We just started this thing, man, today. We just got it started today. Today is the 16th of October. So it's just starting today. You want to get in and get your position at the top. We're just now getting ready to fill top position. So you definitely want to be here to make this thing happen. So this is your man, KR. Welcome to the team, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.